Welcome to the final episode of our GST 2.0 with TallyPrime series. So far, we've seen how to handle tax setups and update price lists. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial steps, validating your inward supplies. Here's the thing. Even if you've updated everything perfectly on your side, your compliance still depends on whether your suppliers are uploading the right invoices with the right rates. That's why validating inward supplies is critical. It ensures your ITC claims are accurate and you don't face issues later during reconciliation. Now let's talk about validating your inward supplies. Invoices uploaded by your suppliers can be verified in two ways: using the invoice management system or by using the to-be reconciliation. With the invoice management system, you don't have to wait till the end of the month. Invoices can be downloaded and verified in real time as soon as the supplier uploads them. If there's a mismatch before filing GSTR1, simply reject the invoice in TallyPrime, inform your supplier, and once they correct it, you can re-download and accept it. Even if you spot a discrepancy after filing GSTR1, you can still notify your supplier so they can fix it in 1A or in the next return. The other option is to-be reconciliation. Here, invoices can only be downloaded and checked after the 14th of the following month. If you find errors post GSTR1 filing, you'll again need to ask your supplier to correct it in 1A or carry it forward in the next return. And remember, if an invoice has been issued with the old GST rate, your supplier can nullify it by issuing a credit note. For rate-related corrections, always consult your CA before proceeding. And that brings us to the end of our GST 2.0 series. We've covered everything. From understanding the changes, preparing your business, setting up tax rates, checking stock groups, revising price lists, and validating inward supplies. The key takeaway is simple. With TallyPrime, adapting to GST 2.0 is not just easier, it's faster and more reliable. Remember, the sooner you update and validate, the smoother your transition will be. And in case you need any help, our team is just a call away. Thank you for watching, and here's wishing you a seamless move into GST 2.0 with TallyPrime.